Just landed in Shanghai? Hi everyone, this is Kurt Dashing Adventures, and for today's video, let's ride the fastest commercial train in the world. Yes, you heard it right. The Shanghai Maglev takes you from Pudong International Airport to Longyang Road in just 7 minutes, reaching speeds of over 300 km per hour, which is a true speed, futuristic experience that you shouldn't miss. There are plenty of options to get to the city from Pudong Airport. You can take the bus, metro, or taxi. So here you go, the metro, maglev, tsaka railway nila dito. So yan, may security check bago tayo makapasok sa mga train nila. But we have to collect our tickets first. By the way guys, yung maglev tickets namin, nabook namin to sa Agoda. And makakakuha kayo ng discount if you use our code KA-AGODA. Magkakaroon kayo ng 5% off. Kaya mas mura nyo makukuha ang maglev tickets. So once you have your Agoda maglev ticket, dito nyo siya i-claim sa Maglev Ticket Center, yung mga kiosk na yan. So, try natin i-claim. So, ito, we have to collect our ticket muna. Ayan. Kailangan natin i-scan yung QR. Ayan, get tickets now. Ayan, 1. So, we got 4 kasi. 2, 3, yan, we got the 4 tickets na. Wala kayong ticket na nabili online, you can also purchase your ticket there, pero card payment or Alipay payment, pagka-cash dito kayo sa ticketing, sa may tao. And I think this is the station na, ito na ata siya. Guys, sakasakay na kami dito sa maglev train. Ito yung itsura niya. Ayan. Ayan. So, 3 yung upuan niya. And then, dun sa harapan, meron siyang lagayan ng luggage. So, it's easy. Easy lang. Tapos, dito sa taas, may lagayan din. Dito na kami guys sa station. I think less than 10 minutes lang yung biyahe. And then, dito kami bumaba. That's the maglev train. Ayan, sobrang bilis. 300 km per hour yung speed niya. Top speed niya. Just a heads up that the maglev will only take you to Longyang Road Station. So from there, you have to hop on the metro or Didi to get to your hotel. And that's it guys. Don't forget to follow us for more. Goodbye!